Bus channel here, and today we're going to be doing some unboxing of some Hot Wheels bus from a car set, but I'm just going to keep the bus and some of the cars, and some parts for R4. Yeah, we'll get into the parts first, obviously. There we go. Yes, I did buy this for my birthday money. I think it's Markerite. Oh yes, it is indeed. Some Markerite and some lenses. There will see the Markerite. Right then, so we'll start off with these little things. Cock it out. Me Markerite. I've always been wanting 2 of these. R5 don't need any because Baker's left them on there, which is good. Get off me, you stupid thing. Oh yes, and good old wire. There we go. Yes, that is the right Markerite. Haha! Look at that shine in this piece. New Markerite. I'll show you the old one as well. So yes, we got 1 new Markerite for R4. Just unbox the other one. R4's finally got 2 Markerite peeps. How about that? It had one, but the other one was a bit cracked, which I'm keeping, like the reverse light lens. I was hoping for these to come today. I've also got a couple of stickers coming for it, and a headlight, well, side indicator lamp, because it could have been me that scratched it on the metal, or it could have been Baker's, or Little's, or National. Don't know, don't care. Just cared that I got a new one. Oh, come on, you little bitch. And here we have another Markerite. There are 2 new Markerites right there, peeps. Now we're going to move on to the brake light lens. In case you wonder, I'm not going to open this because I'll lose the screws and the other pieces. And yes, here is the brake light lens. Here's front and there's back. So, and here's the screws for it and the little thing that goes around it, which I'll show you when on Sunday. So now moving on to these, but I'm only going to keep the box and the bus. Here's the front of the box and the back of the box. Yes, I will sell the other cars in the shop. Oh, fuck, do you open this? Not like that. I don't want to damage the box. I like keeping the boxes. Hang on. Back again guys. And now, obviously I'm only keeping the bus and the box. So, in case you wonder, I did get this from Tesco's on Saturday. So here we have the Rock in Roll Hot Wheels school bus. So here's front, back, front, side, back, other side, roof, and the bottom. Funny enough, I still ain't got the original version of this thing. And here's the other cars, which I'm just going to sell. So yeah, I'll pop them there, pop the box there, and I'll go and get you a couple of R4 old bits, which I know you won't see. All bits that I'm going to keep. And put back on there. Hello, you little bitch. Oh, fuck that, I'm blind. Yes, they are the fucking same. So in case you're wondering, this is R4's old Markerite. Well, one of them, because the other one weren't on there. As you can see, it's got a big crack there. Don't know how that happened, but it did. And this, I'm still keeping that Markerite just for my display. Okay, so this is staying, but this sticker is going to have a new first aid sign, so which is good. That ain't arrived yet, but when it does, I'll put it on at the coach, along with this, which you've seen. I don't know if this is meant to be on here still, or whether they tried to get it off, or one of the companies. But I'm going to leave it on, because it's still there, and it'll look better than that. And yes, this does need a bit of a clean, so... Oh shit. I'll get the thumbnail now, peeps. Ugh. Shit, I don't want to crack my new lens. So... There we go. So thank you guys for watching, and peace out.